Good morning. You? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
So today we are going to take some lessons about uh, LaTeX, hands-on training on LaTeX. So in that training, actually, I am also not that expert in LaTeX, but I will tell you how to utilize this, tools and sources so that we can be very, you know, we can be very efficient in LaTeX writing of any technical report or let's say journals, conferences, and other things. So for that, I will start from. I would suggest that if this is a so-called hands-on training, I would suggest that you can open some softwares and uh, also some websites and do the work simultaneously so that you can also properly understand the uh, procedures, how to proceed in the this latex format. So let me share my screen first. Okay, is it visible?
Yes, sir, visible.
So see, we have two methods to proceed in latex. One is like online method and online tool, and another is offline tool. So online tool can work under the that there should be internet all the time so that you can sync and do the LaTeX compilation online. But for the offline case, you don't need to have internet all the time. Okay, so for offline tool, there are two softwares. Like one is a engine that will run behind the LaTeX, and another one is compiler. So the first one is called MikTeX. Okay, so I would suggest all of you can download the MikTeX if you are able to see here. Okay, okay. So from here you can download the MikTeX. Okay, I am sharing the link. So please download this MikTeX. At the same time, this will do all the compilation in the background. And for these software, you don't uh, need to have the internet all the time for the LaTeX compilation. And at the same time, uh, that a LaTeX compiler, that is compiler should, you should have a LaTeX compiler from which you will give like your inputs and all the writing strategies. So that one is called actually that one is called, wait, just wait a minute. That one is called Text Studio. So you can also download Text Studio. Please engage so that what I am telling and what I am, you know, letting you know about this LaTeX, that I will be able to understand if you are getting or not. Okay. So please engage, and if you are not getting the things, please let me know. Okay. So this is the Text Studio. So copy link address and I will send this link address to you. So these two softwares you need to download. First one is MikTeX and second one is GitHub, this Text Studio. So MikTeX, you will not be able to see MikTeX as an application in your system. Like it will run background. However, at the same time, you will be able to see Text Studio. So this is actually Text Studio. Okay, this is the format of a Text Studio. Okay, so okay, so I will start from like initial things. Okay, so in this LaTeX, you have a document class. Okay, like if you want to write some journals and conferences, you have the templates, right? So let's say if you want to write journal, should provide their template or their journal. So that templates you can download. Let's say if you are planning to write IEEE paper, so you can download like IEEE journal LaTeX template. Okay, so from here you can, similarly for other journals also, you will be able to find these templates. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay. So okay, see here, then in this IEEE template selector, you will be able to find the transaction journals, magazines. Okay, some this LaTeX is not all about the electrical engineering, so you can have the peoples will be there from computer science background and other backgrounds also. So they have to target a particular, let's say, transaction or anything journals. So let's say I have to select a journal. So from that journal, let's say I want to write a journal for power systems, IEEE transactions on power systems. Okay, so this is original. In that way, you will be able to find here Word or LaTeX. So let's say I want to write my paper in the LaTeX template. So we'll be able to choose LaTeX and then download the LaTeX templates. Okay, so once we are able to find this LaTeX template, we'll extract this. That will be in the zip file, and we'll be opening this LaTeX template in our this Text Studio thing. Okay, I am assuming that we have installed MikTeX as well as Text Studio. Okay, so this template, that bare journal new sample .text, that is a LaTeX template, and we have downloaded. Let's say we have downloaded this template. So in this template, you will be able to find all the things like abstract, introduction, and in these things only you have to write your paper. So let's say you want to modify the title of the paper, so you can also search here title. I don't You can also search here the title, or what you can do, you can go here and right click on this, any of this uh, like text, and after right click you will be able to find go to source. Okay, so like this is here we have all the codes of LaTeX, and the corresponding PDF will be generated that side. So let's say this, I am right clicking and I am going to source. So okay, so this make title, in the make title all the things will come, title, author, similar things. So let's say I have to write a paper, wide area controller for power systems. So if I am writing wide area damping controller for power systems, and if I will compile that, that should reflect in the PDF side. So see here, whatever I am writing in this this actually your coding thing, this is reflecting in the PDF file. And the benefit of the LaTeX is, like in the Word, what we are going we have seen that arranging the documents, let's say I have to put one figure here, so this text can go upward and downward, and some spaces will be left blank, and it will look like this format of the Microsoft Word would look not organized. However, in LaTeX, whatever you will do, it will be organized automatically. You don't have to do anything here. Okay. So second thing, let's say first I have written the topic, and second I have to write my name. Okay. So in the author, you have to write your name. Okay. So let's say here IEEE Publication Society. So let's say I am writing my name. Okay. So Dr. Abhineet Prakash. So see, I am not doing anything actually, but the here we can see I have only written Abhineet Prakash and wide area damping controller. So this wide area damping controller for power system is other format. This is the title. For that I am not doing anything. This is automatically enlarged according to the IEEE format. Similarly, my name and membership we can write like member or senior member or fellow, something like that. Okay. So it will also come member IEEE. Okay. And after that, include our affiliation. So affiliation we will be able to find. So in IEEE, we have the affiliation in the left corner of the first page. So just right click and go to that. So here you will find thanks. One thanks is there. Thanks is there. In that you have to modify. So if you want to write your email or something like that, let's say I am writing who has actually, I don't know, someone has muted me. Please, someone can reply.
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Okay, someone has muted me. I don't know. Okay, anyway. So I was talking about writing the uh, journal papers in the LaTeX. Okay, so let's say, and in that thanks, you will be able to get this your affiliation and other things. So in thanks, you can write Abhineet Prakash with is with IIT Bhubaneswar or your department or something like that. Okay. So it will be reflected in the left corner of the your journal automatically. So you are not formatting anything here. You don't have to insert any boxes and write your name and put it here like you are doing in this Word. It is automatically coming and all the things are formatted here. So this is all about the format. Similarly, anything abstract is written here. So you want to change the abstract, just right click and go to abstract and change the things. Okay. So you will be able to find all those things. Now, the main thing is while writing LaTeX, and what I have felt the difficulties are writing the equations, difficult type of equations, and inserting them into LaTeX, like writing some tables. So I would suggest, please note down. I will actually give some tricks. Okay. I also don't know how to code those large equations. Like let's say I have to make one matrix. or some large equations, like I will show you. Okay, here in my paper, if I will show you, okay, so let's say these large equations, like this one, you have to write. And the other thing is, equations, if you will write in the LaTeX, it will look very beautiful. Okay, but you should know, like these equations, those you are looking in equation number 9, equation number 10, these equations, code of these equations are very difficult to write. If you want to write this code, it will be very difficult. So what is the trick? The trick is, like, we have word and we have, let's say, other equations that is in the image form or PDF form somewhere, and I want to write all those equations in the LaTeX format. So what I will do, I will suggest you to download two very nice softwares. These softwares are called actually MathPix. I will, and other I will also let you know. MathPix snipping tool. Okay, so I will share this link, copy this link address, and so you download this MathPix actually. Okay, and you can also, actually this MathPix is a paid software. Like you have some limited snips, like here you can see in my MathPix only 14 snips are remaining. So 14 snips are only remaining, so we can have only 14 snips here. If you want to snip more equations, you have to like upgrade it and you have to pay. But one another software is there. I came to know about this software, that is Simple Text. This software, this is a free software. Actually, I will Simple Text snipping tool. This is very Simple Text snip. Simple Text snipping. Here, I will share you the link. Simple Text. No, not this one. This one. Simpletext.cn. Okay, maybe this software is this website is blocked in my institute, so I am not able to open it, but you can open it like here, simpletext.cn. So from here you can download these two softwares, that snipping softwares, and install it in your PC. Now the thing is how to utilize these snipping softwares. Okay, so let's say I have to write an equation in the LaTeX, that is the 10th number equation. So you can see how difficult this equation is. But simply what you can do here, you can open that. I am using this Simple Text tool, and you can go to screenshot here. Okay, screenshot, you go and just select this equation from here to there. So if you will select, okay, okay, this is not working right now, I don't know why, but the same thing will be applied for the MathPix snipping tool. Wait 1 minute. So what you can do is like open MathPix or Simple Text and just select the equation you want to write. So I have selected, it should automatically pop up. See here, it has captured the equation, overall equation, and formatted into different, here you can see different type of like codes. You can see in this uh, at the bottom of this page different type of boxes. So first one is like uh, means this is a simple code, nothing, no environment is provided. Second one, this equation is in LaTeX format only, but you can write in inline. Okay, two things are there. We are writing some equation in inline, like I will show you, like this one, this one. So this equation actually don't need any equation number and other things, so it will only follow the second this second code. third code Third code will do the same. It will come here, not inline, but it will not have any equation number. And fourth one, that is starting with begin equation and end equation, it will create a equation similar to equation number 10, and it will also have the equation number. I will show you. So okay, this is, let's say, copied. We have copied, and what we have downloaded that LaTeX template from the IEEE website. Let's say at the place of equation number 1, we want to write our that equation that we have converted from the math snipping tool. So that is, similarly we have converted and copied and pasted. And let's run, build and view. Let's say what is happening. So see here, this equation is the same equation what we have snipped previously, and the code we have selected from there, we have copied here, and this is automatically converted to equation number 1, as we can see. So that is a very actually nice trick. You can convert your uh, any mathematics, any complex mathematics to this one. Another thing, that you have the Word, Microsoft Word. Okay, and we are all familiar about Microsoft Word, and we also know how to write equation in Word, but we don't know how to write equation in LaTeX. So for that, I have also one trick. Let's say I am writing I have to write equation like some matrix. Okay, randomly I'm writing. So for that, you need to install math type. You should have math type. So I will share the link of math type. Actually, math type is a paid software. You can download it from somewhere. So this link I am sharing actually. Okay. This is a math type link. Okay. So if you will be able to download math type, you can write equations in Microsoft Word. So I am assuming that you have downloaded and installed the math type. So math type will come like this. Math type will be like ribboned in the upper like head of this Microsoft Word, and it will come like that. So here you can see all the things are there of the math type. It will come in the Microsoft Word. So let's say you want to write one equation. So you can use inline equation. So if you will click inline, okay, if you will click inline, you will be able to get this actually pop up. Okay. So what you can do, because this you can use this frequently, you can just right click on inline and add quick access. As I have added, you can see in my Microsoft Word here. Okay, so you don't need again and again to go to math type and go to inline. You can directly have inline here. Okay, so inline I am going. Let's say I am writing one matrix. Okay, something like x square something, I don't know. Like A is equals to matrix, you can write in the this mm, mat type. Okay, and let's say I have to insert some matrix, and this X, and all of you know how to use this mat type or not? Please let me know. All of you know how to write equations in math type? Please speak.
Yes, sir.
All of you. There are 60 peoples. No one is speaking anything. All of you know. Please
Yes,
let.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Someone has given no, sir. So you have to learn actually. Math type is the common thing to write equation in Word and LaTeX. Word, and that is a very common thing. So I have not been asked to teach how to write equation in math type, but you can contact me later. I will let you know. But for this session, I am assuming that you all of you are aware of this math type. Okay. So math type, I am writing some equation, like let's say A is equals to x square, something like that. I don't know. It's depend on your equation. Okay. Something like that. Other, let's put at simple 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have actually written the equation in the math type. Okay. Save. So this is, let's say we have the equation in math type in our Microsoft Word, and uh, as we know, because we have to only put numbers in the given format and given a structure. So this is actually a little bit easier compared to writing direct equation in LaTeX. So the next thing is how to convert this equation, what I am writing in the Word, to the LaTeX. So in the math type only, you will be able to find uh, uh, one actually tool, that is toggle text. If you are able to see in this math type, you will be able to find. So what you can also, these two things will be utilized regularly. So I would suggest you add as a quick access. Here you can see in my PC, I have also added this inline and toggle text, two tools in the a quick access tool, because it will be utilized like frequently. So what you can do, just simply toggle the text, select the equation and toggle the text. So okay, I am clicking toggle text. Let's see what is happening. So you can see when I am uh, like clicking the toggle text, it is whatever the equation we have written in the math type, that is automatically converted to LaTeX formula. Okay. And again, for the same formula, again, if you will click the toggle text, that tool is actually utilized to convert LaTeX to math type and math type to LaTeX. So let's say again we are clicking this toggle text. So you can see. So whenever you will toggle, it will toggle between the simple equation in the Word to math type. Okay. So we have toggled. So actually this math type equation has come. So as I have already told, see here, this $2, whatever the equations, whatever the codes are generated, if you will put in this $2 box, in between $2 box, you will be able to get the equation, but in the inline format, that I have already told. Like in the sentences only, we need to write some equation type. So there you can use this $2 box. Okay. However, if you want to write the equations like this one, like 13, 14 or 12, but if you don't want any equation number, like only I need to write this equation and I don't want to write equation number, then you can use $2 boxes. Okay, $2 boxes, and whatever the code is there, you can put your code here. Okay, and if you want to write actually equation, okay, if you want to write equation with any numbers, equation number and other things, what you can do, you can use begin and end equation environment. Okay, so third thing is you can write something like that: begin equation and end equation, and you can put your code in between these two boxes, begin equation and end equation. So three things are there. One is you just put $2 and you put your equations in between these dollars and $, and then begin, and these three formats are there. Okay, so actually the toggle text has actually converted your equation in this format only, directly between these $2 signs. Okay, so if you will directly copy and paste, it will become a inline equation. However, let's say if you want to write this equation in equation format, what you can do is you can copy this one and put somewhere according to your need. Let's say in the begin and end equation format, or within the dollar format, or within the inline format. So all three I am copying from here and I am pasting in the Word. Okay, let's just, I have copied and I am pasting in the LaTeX. Okay, let's set the three equation, how all these three equations will come. See here, the first equation, what we have generated in the Word actually coming in the form of, because it is converting in the LaTeX code. So the first one is coming in the format of inline, means you can directly add here some in the line. Here you can say something like that. Okay, something like that. So this equation will come in inline. The second equation, if you will put your LaTeX code between the $2 sign, you will be able to get the this actually LaTeX equation. However, if you are able to see, there is no such equation number. So between the $2 sign, you will not get the any equation number. However, when you will use begin and end equation format, and if you will put this LaTeX code here, then you will be able to get a proper equation with equation number, and see how beautifully it is written. And there is no need to format anything here. As you can see in the this LaTeX, once you have written your LaTeX code, your like job is finished. All the formatting will be done by this LaTeX compiler only. Okay, so these are the equations. And let's say you have only the equation and you want to like make this equation into Word, then you can do the vice versa thing. Like we have, let's say, LaTeX code, we can copy in the Word, copy in the Word here, and we can insert $1 sign in front, $1 sign in the back, and select this equation and simply toggle the text. Let's see. That's it. So your equations will be converted from Word to LaTeX and LaTeX to Word. and vice versa, as you want. That is dependent. So your things will be very, all of your job will be very easy. Like only that thing is very difficult to write in the this these codes is very difficult to write, and you don't know how to write the code. But actually, as the time passes, you will be habituated to LaTeX. You will be able to get something also in the word only, in the LaTeX. And uh, as of now, I can able to write this uh, this equation directly in this code format here. I don't need any word or any snipping tools to write these equations. I can write. But for your sakes, you can start from here, and slowly, if you will be able to write all those things, you will be like habituated, and you can learn all those things. Okay, so this is one thing. So three things I have identified. First one is this writing format that you have understood how to write. Second one is equation, how to write. So mm, means I am hopeful that all of you are able to understand how to write any equation in the Word. Okay, and next I will go to how to make tables in the LaTeX. Okay, so is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So next thing I am going to uh, like teach you how to make uh, proper tables in the LaTeX. Okay, and please share this recording to all the participants so that they can like understand the things later also. Okay. Okay, so for table, I will show you similar kind of like tools, how we can utilize make those tables. Because actually writing tables in the LaTeX also, that is very difficult. Codes of the LaTeX, I will show you some codes. I don't know if I have or not. Just wait. Hmm. Okay, no, not this one, sorry. Hmm. Let's say I want to prepare some tables like that, table one. So you can see here, I'm just for this depiction, I am just copying, pasting in our this file that we have downloaded from the IEEE website. Okay, so see here. And other thing I want to also mention to you that whatever the begin and end environment is there, if you will put a star like say, see here, this equation we have written earlier, no? So what will happen if you'll put a star? It will, if you'll put a star, it will float between the like this like initially what was happening, if we are not putting any star, it is coming under this part of the uh, your paper. Like let's say your paper is divided into two parts, one part is this one and one part is this one, and you are writing your equation, and that is that will come under that part only. However, let's say equations are too big, so that equation will should float from here to there throughout the pages. So what you can do, just add a star after your equation, any environment, begin equation star and end equation star. Are you getting? So if you'll add a star, it should float. Actually, it will float. Okay. So because this equation is too small, so it will be here only. However, in case of table, I am showing you, table should be floated between these two columns. So what we are doing, we are putting a star, begin table environment, and we are putting a star. So what will happen if you'll remove a star? It will come to one column only. Let's say, see here. So this one column it is capturing, however, it is going to second column, but other parts of your papers are overlapping with the other column of the word. So to properly properly make the table float between these two columns, you need to put a star value. So if you will put a star, it will float between the two columns. Now the question comes, how to prepare one table. So you can see here, this table is actually very difficult. You can see that these codes are very complicated to write. Yes or no? So what we can do is, like, we can also use similar tools. Okay. So I will show you those tools. One LaTeX table generator is there on the internet. That is a very popular tool to create some tables. I will share you the link. This LaTeX table. So directly what you can do is, you can directly go to that link, LaTeX table generator, and you can prepare your own format, like whatever you are doing in the Word, or making tables in Excel or something like that. You can make all those tables here also. So I will show you how to make all those tables. So let's say I have to create a new table. So you can select rows and number of columns. That is very easy, because this is manual actually. So 3 by 3, let's say I have to create one table, 3 by 3. Also at the same time, for all the tables, I need borders. So the borders are created. So let's say first one is serial number. So you can just enter manually from your keyboard, and serial number, and this is 1, this is 2. Because this is visual, no, so you can prepare all those things easily. And let's say something, color, and some price, I don't know, that should be according to your need. Red, blue, and some 100 rupees, or 200 rupees, something like that. Okay. And you want to center this, you just use this one, center of the content, so it will come into the center. Also you can, if you want to make it bold, you can use bold. You make italic, you can make italic, you can make underline also. So these things are available as you are looking in the Word. So once you will be able to prepare your table according to your need, and other things are also there. Let's say if you want to insert some rows and column, what you can do, similar to Word, you can just right click, go to column, and add a column, right or left. This is according to your need. So I have added one right column. So let's make all the borders. So color, price, and discount, something like that you can make. Bold and italic, and this is up to you. Discount 10%, or I don't know, 20. And you can create your own table. Okay. What you can do, you can also merge some tables. Like some tables are there, like you will be, I don't know, here that table is not that, because some tables we need to merge the columns. So what you can do, just select those tables, and you will find all those tools. Just here merge option is there, so you can merge something like that, so it will come in the one column only. Okay. Are you getting all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we have prepared our table here. So what we can do, we can just simply click on generate. Here we have one generate option. So if you'll click generate, it will create one table. As simple as that. And you can, what you can do, you can just simply copy this, okay, or just simply copy this, copy to clipboard and paste this in the LaTeX. As simple as that. Okay, just let me copy, and I am putting here. I am deleting whatever the table earlier it was, and just paste it here. Okay, and let's run. Let's see what is happening. Underline. What? Someone is saying anything? Someone is saying anything? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay, some
Yes, sir.
packages. Okay, so some as you have seen here, this actually this whatever the result generated, it is telling that you should use some packages. Okay, so you should use all those packages. So these packages should be inserted in the initial of the document. So here you will be, that is why this code is not running, because we have only copied this table from here to here, and we have not utilized these packages. So you can also, because some packages are there, they will only allow this underline thing and color, all these things, merging things. For that, different packages are there. So all these packages needs to be run. So what you can do, that packages should be added in the starting. As you can see in the IEEE format, you will be able to see some packages are already there in a starting. So what you can do, just add all those three packages that was provided with the table. Okay, now let's run if it is coming or not. So see, now you are able to, now we are able to create this LaTeX table. Yes or no? Whatever we
Yes,
had
sir.
prepared in the LaTeX table generator, we are able to just generate the code and copy and paste here and add those packages in the starting, and you will be able to get this LaTeX table. Now someone can say, sir, I want this table in the center. So no problem. What you can do, after begin table, you can use one term, that is centering. If you will use centering, it will go to center. Yes or no? Now someone can say, I want to like include caption of the table. That you can also do. Just click caption. Caption, if you will write caption, uh, and you can add your own caption, like the color and price, something like that. Okay, so if you use your caption, so here you can see, yes or no, it is coming or not, table 1, the color and the price and your table. So utilizing these tools in the LaTeX, we don't from my perspective, it is not that we should learn all the codes and everything. No, that is not necessary. We should learn how to utilize those tools and how to like uh, make the utilization of the tools, so that we can uh, make our own, like we can prepare our own documents according to our need. Okay, I am also not, in the starting I have already told that I am also not that expert in the LaTeX, but I know how to utilize these tools so that I can efficiently write any documents as I wanted. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So someone can do another thing. One thing also, someone will say that, sir, I want to prepare my table in the Excel. Okay, so what you can do, so this Excel you can open, and I am just copying and pasting this one only. Okay, so according to your need, let's say you have prepared your table in the Excel. Okay, what you can do, I am removing this one, file, new table, so that you will not get confused. Okay, so this is a blank LaTeX table generator. Now you have prepared you one table in the Excel according to your requirement. You can prepare the big tables also. So how to convert this table into LaTeX? So what we can do, we can create our own table in the Excel. We can go to file, we can save as, browse some locations, I don't know where, you can choose your own location. And instead of saving in the Excel workbook, you can choose CSV. If you will drag and drop this, you will be able to see CSV, MS-DOS. So in the CSV format, you need to save this. So, okay. So in the CSV format, I have saved this. Okay. Now I can again go to, now you have your own LaTeX Excel table, and you want to convert that LaTeX table to uh, sorry, this Excel table to LaTeX table. So you can go to, again go to that tool only, LaTeX table generator, go file here, and go import CSV file. You will be able to see one import CSV file is there. So just import, you will be able to choose from download this book one we have prepared this in the your CSV format currently. So CSV format we have chosen, whatever we have saved, and import, just import. If you will click import, you will be able to get this, whatever we have prepared in the Excel, you will be able to get here. Okay, are you getting, are you getting or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so if any blank things are there, you can just simply go to right and right click and remove that as per your requirement. Just go. This will work similar to Word only, Word and Excel only. Okay, but I was showing that if you, let's say you want to make your things in the Excel, then also you will be able to convert to the LaTeX. Okay, so again you can have your borders and other things and generate. So you will be able to generate this thing. Okay. Okay, so just copy it and paste it wherever you want in your document. Okay. See, this table came here. Now, if you want to make it center, just click centering. So it will go to center. You can also choose caption and some XYZ. I don't know whatever is the caption. So table one, some XYZ will come. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. Tell me, is it okay?
Yes.
Now, the thing is, let's say this table is on the top, and let's say you want this table in the bottom. What you can do, you can just put this explanatory sign, and for the top, you need to write T, For the bottom, you need to write B. Okay, so I want to shift this table to bottom, so I have inserted B. Okay, and now I am running. See, this table come to the bottom. Okay, are you able to get it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so something like that you can prepare your own table. So we come to two things. We are now able to write uh, the words and sentences in the LaTeX. Second thing, we are able to prepare and make equations in the in our here uh, equations in our LaTeX, and all the tools I have provided with you. Please utilize all those tools. Those tools will make your life very simple. And third thing is lat table. We have learned how to create tables in the LaTeX. Yes, okay. So whatever is remaining, can anyone tell if something is remaining? Like third thing should be okay. One thing is remaining, I think, that how to cite citations, proper citations. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Proper citation.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, so see here, what you can do is, like, let's say I want to cite some papers. So, okay, let's say I want to cite any of my paper, any of your paper. So any paper, like this paper, okay? So three places are there. From there you can copy. What you can do is, like, you can search the name of the paper on the Google. Just wait. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so you can search the name of your paper on the Google. So you will be able to find your any of your paper. So just go to that. Okay. Here you will be able to find one cite this option. Go to that, cite this. In the cite this, you will be able to find bibtex. Okay. Bibtex. So this code you need to copy. Okay. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir.
code you need to copy.
Yeah.
And it is not hard and thumb rule that you have to like create your code, make your code from any IEEE website also. You can make it from other places also. Like, let's say you can search it on Google Scholar, scholar.google.com, and search your paper. So here is your paper, and here you can see one cite option is there. Yes or no? So just click to cite, and you will be able to find bibtex. Just please hold just 1 second. Yes, is it audible?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay, so what I was telling, that how to make, so you can like search on three places are there. One is the IEEE or the website of that paper only. Second one is Google Scholar. Let's say I want to cite another paper, I don't know, this paper or any paper, this paper. So you can copy here. So you will be able to go to here, that IEEE site. Second one, just remember the name, scholar.google.com, then search this paper. Same paper. I will show you from where you can like uh, copy and make your code for that citation. So here also you can go to site, and site you can go to BibTeX. In the site you will be able to find BibTeX. So here you will be able to get the BibTeX code. Similarly, in the IEEE, go to site this, go to BibTeX. Here you will be able to get your BibTeX code. Okay. Third place is also there, that is called cross reference. I will share the link of all these places. Okay. So go to cross reference, search metadata, and just paste your paste the name of your journal or any paper. So you will be able to find the paper. So here in the cross reference, I have searched the paper. Here you can see that that one is the first paper. Go to actions and go to site. So see here, BibTeX code you have generated. So from any places, this place or Google Scholar or your the paper website, from any places you can generate the code and copy that code. So what you can do, okay, what I can do is I will share. So this I am sharing, scholar.google.com, and one is another is crossreference.org. From these two websites you will be able to generate your BibTeX code for your paper, any paper, and also you can utilize BibTeX code from the respective website of the paper. Okay, so let's say just copy this, all the code, copy, and you have, this is the main file actually. Whatever we are doing, this is the main file. And one another file is there that is called .bib file. You will be able to find in your main library where this LaTeX template is there. So here we have downloaded this LaTeX template. So that was actually the LaTeX template. Here one bib file should be there. Actually, in this one, they have not generated bib file. They have generated bib item directly. However, I will show you how to generate bib file. So you will be you will have this bib file. Okay. So let's name it as reference, ref. Okay. Anything. So this is actually this should be available with all the formats, whatever the format any website is providing. This should be available, but here it was not available. So I am pasting from my file. Okay. So what you can do, it will come like this. Okay, bib file will open like this. You can also open this bib file here also, from go to file and open, or directly just open from here, and this reference is there, that is only bib file. Just open it, and whatever you have copied from any website or that, just same code you just paste here. Okay, so I have we have our like citation, LaTeX citation of that article. However, this is in the bibliography document, and this is yet not cited in your paper. Okay. However, how you can cite this one? Okay, this is important. So actually this article is defined by its name, first name. This is actually name. This you can change anything, like from the author name also, or from the any number also. I don't know. This is up to you. So let's say Prakash I am writing. Anything you can write. Whatever earlier number was given, from that you can also cite. Okay. So anything you can define the name and just save. So this you have to copy here. Okay, just that name Prakash, and just anywhere, let's say if you want to cite somewhere in the introduction, I am citing here. So just put this one, this slash mark, and just write cite, 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 and just paste that number, whatever your uh, whatever the name of your reference is there. So for my reference it was simply Prakash, yes or no? However, if you will run, it will still not come. I will show you. See here, it is coming like question mark, yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
So it will come because we have not actually this is a separate file actually, this bib file is, and this is the original document. So this separate file should be cited somewhere. All the documents should be cited somewhere, and from all those documents this citation should come. So what you can do is here will remove and bibliography. Uh, uh, hmm. And just that code was, let me, that this should come. See here. This bibliography style IEEE Tran, that is actually the style of the IEEE format that will be included in the format. You don't have to like modify that one, but you can add your own document. So this code is nothing but bibliography. Okay. And in the bibliography, in the bracket, you need to put the name of the document, bib file. So what was the name of the bib file, bibliography file? See here. That was the bibliography file, yes or no? Or in that bibliography, what was the name of this bibliography? Nothing but REF, yes or no? So just I am putting REF here. Now our problem should be solved. So if we will run, let's see what is coming. It will take some time, I don't know. It is still running. So in that manner, it will come here as a reference number, something like 1 or 2, and the same reference will go down. It should have, I don't know why this is not coming. Yes. What is happening? Okay, it will come actually. Okay, I don't know why it was not running. What was the problem actually? However, I will show you in the another file. So that was the original file. Let's stop this one. I don't know why it was not coming. Okay, so this was the actually our paper. Yes or no? Let's cite that one. That article was there. We have to cite. So whatever the journal you are opening, that BIP file should be in the same document. So here also I have BIP file, that reference, and other references are also there, but I am showing that how to cite one reference. So we have copied that reference. Yes or no? This Prakash reference. Okay, we need to cite this reference actually. So what we can do, anywhere, let's say after here only we are citing in the first only. So I am writing /cit cite and just paste it, the name of that article, the name of that article, that was Prakash. Okay, that was Prakash, and run it. Okay, see here. So here we have put the name of this citation, cite Prakash, that was coming after sometimes causes blackouts. So after sometime causes blackouts, here you can see it is coming as reference number 1. Yes or no? Or and this reference should be reflected directly to your references. So let's go and check. It should be equation number 1. See here, this was the paper A. Prakash, P. Singh, K. Kumar, S. K. Parida. Design of a reduced order viaduct for wind turbine. This was the paper, yes or no? This was the paper, no? See, design of a reduced order viaduct. So this paper we have cited. So what you have to do, you just need to copy the name any of the paper, just search it on Google, in Google Scholar, cross reference or the respective website, copy the corresponding LaTeX code and paste it in the bib file. Okay, after pasting, whatever the name coming here, just copy it, go to the place where you want to cite, just write /cit cite and just paste the name of that first letter of that paper, and all the things should be happen automatically. Okay, and see, you are not formatting actually the you are not formatting this reference style. Yes or no? It is coming automatically. Whatever you are citing here, it is coming automatically in the perfect format. So that is the benefit of the LaTeX. You don't need to do anything, just you have to play from here to there, there to here, and just play properly. Use the proper tools, and all the things will be you know, done accordingly by the LaTeX. Are you able to get it? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion is there? Please let me know. Okay, how to insert image. Okay, so for the image, you need to, okay, I will go here in our format only. Okay, this was our LaTeX format that we have downloaded from our IEEE website. Suppose we want to insert some image. Okay, so what you have to do is, let's any image. Okay, so let us say that is image. So I am copying that image to our file. Okay, and just put the image in somewhere in that folder only. You can directly put here figure 12, or you can create one like folder also in the your latex template folder. Just new and folder, and you can write image. Okay, and just you can copy this, cut this image and put it here. So both things can be done, like, but the proper location should be given in your code. So what need to be done is, for inserting image, that is actually very easy. Let's say here that image I want to insert. That image is not there. You can see. Is it there? No, it's not there. So what you can do, just create one environment that is begin and end environment. Just write slash begin environment. It will automatically come begin environment and end environment. And in the environment name, you need to write figure. F-I-G-U-R-E, figure. Okay. And then actually 1 minute. Then what you can do, just define the proper location of that image. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so two things are there. After begin and end environment, you need to write figure, begin figure, end figure. In that, you just need to write include graphics. Include graphics. Okay, include graphics, then in the brackets it will come. So here you need to write location of that graphics. So where is that location of the graphics? In you, that is in your folder, yes or no? If it is directly in the folder, you can simply write the figure name, figure 12. However, you can see that this is not directly in a folder. It is in a, it is still in your folder, but in the a subfolder, that is image and figure 12. In the image it is there, yes or no? So what you can do, you can just specify the folder name, that is image, and you can put slash and your figure name of your figure. What was the name of your figure? Figure 12, any figure. Okay, just run it. See here. Okay, is it coming or not? And also you can adjust the you can adjust the this size of this figure. How you can adjust? Actually, I'm not able to. Width, that need to be included actually. For the adjustment here, you need to include that code. So okay, so what should be the width of this table? So let's say I'm writing 0.5. So it will come 0.5 here. Okay, if you want to increase, you should write 0.7. It will increase from 0.7. Further, if you will increase 0.9, it will come like this. And if you will put 1, it will entirely cover that column. See here, it will entirely cover that column. Okay, also you can write centering, so that figure will be in the center. Centering. Okay, you can also include the caption. Caption you can include CA/caption if you will write, and whatever the name of your figure 1 figure dot 1, and you can write the name of your figure, dynamics of anything, dynamics of power system. So if you will write, it should come here, see here. But this you don't need to write figure 1 or figure 2, it will automatically come. Okay, so this thing will come. So all the things are formatted, and if you want to, like similar to table, if you want to put in the top or bottom, you can just include explanatory sign and then T or B. If you want to put the figure in the bottom, you can just write B. It will come to back bottom of the page. Okay. Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
And if you will put T, it will go to top, and this thing should come. Okay. Anything is remaining? So please tell me how many of you are able to get the LaTeX? Okay. Circuit diagram. What is circuit diagram? Vikas Kumar. Please tell me.
Sir,
Circuit
any
diagram.
electrical circuit diagrams that we can do, sir, like when we do for converters and all that?
So that you need to prepare. That is not a part of LaTeX. You can use Visio and other tools. Yes or no? Visio and other tools you can use. Let's say any circuit. I will show you. I have prepared some circuits that you need to prepare from tools. I will show you. Something like that you are asking? Something like that?
Yes, sir.
So that you have to create your own figure, no? This is nothing, there is nothing to do with LaTeX. You can use Visio tool and prepare your own like figures. Huh?
Okay, sir. We
And
can draw it in Visio and we can insert in a similar way as what we do in
yes,
images.
you can draw it in Visio or one another very efficient website is there. That is Draw.io. You can utilize this. You can utilize this one also. Draw.io. I will send you the link. It is more efficient than the Visio. So you can utilize and okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
what
Thank you,
you
sir.
can do is like it's always better to convert you, like see we have also faced while writing papers, we have faced difficulties in the figure resolution. Yes or no? That resolution is coming, increasing, decreasing, you don't know.
Yeah, yes,
See
sir.
this figure, if you are able to see this figure, what we have inserted recently in our this project. So you can see, if I will zoom it to 1000 or any, it will not like break or it will not distort. Are you able to see it or not? It will not distort. Why it is
Yes,
happening
yes, sir.
so? Why it is happening? Because this is a PDF file. What you can do, you can go to file, save as. If you will save as image, then you have, in the image you have the resolution thing, but in the PDF there is no such thing. Yes or no? In the PDF there is no such things like resolution and other things. So if you are doing like selecting like JPEG format, PNG format, instead I would suggest select PDF format. Okay, PDF format and save it. So in PDF format, this now see this figure is in the PDF format, and let's also save this figure in the image format, some JPEG or PNG. Okay. You have to insert your resolution. Let's say we are inserting 300 or something like that. So we have now PDF as well as image. So this one is actually your image. So if you will zoom, it will like blur. If it will go somewhere and blur. Yes or no? It is blurring. However, PDF file will not blur. See, this is PDF image. Is it blurring somewhere? No. It is crisp and clear. So what you can do for the LaTeX, I will recommend you to use PDF figures. You can utilize appropriate tools, and you can crop your images like that. You can crop your images. Okay. And let's put this image in our figure, this one. So instead of figure 12, let's put drawing that image in our here paper. So what we can do, just change the name. What is the name actually? Drawing 1. And if you'll run, okay, it should be open. Okay. If you'll run, see, this figure is now placed here, yes or no, in our paper. And if you will zoom it, see how clear it is, like all the things. So for figures, you need to utilize the proper tools and convert to the images, and then repeat the same procedure as we have discussed. Okay. Anything else? Please let me know. Please speak someone. You have understood, Sujit? Sujit,
Yes,
is
sir.
there? You have understood? Okay. So no one is. Okay. So I am sending my email ID. If you have any further confusion, please let me know. Or also you can contact me on. Okay, so I have dropped my phone number and this email ID in the chat box. So please let me know if any confusion is there. I hope you all have understood how to utilize the LaTeX tools and like utilize them according to your work and anything. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All of you have understood? Please let me know. Please raise
Yes,
your
sir.
hand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Any
Thank you, sir.
confusion is there for now? I can clear those confusions. Or anything else that I have left in apart from figure, references, tables, equations, any other things are there? Okay. Okay, so almost all the things are cleared. Initially, you will face some difficulty, yes or no? You will face some difficulty, but if you will try again and again, you will be able to get the LaTeX, and that will make your life very simple. LaTeX is, once you will be able to get the LaTeX now, and you will be able to utilize all the tools what I have provided to you, then your life will be very simple, and you can, like, you don't need to worry about any formatting and other things. Your paper will look fantastic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you
Thank
all.
you, sir, for
Thank you,
giving your
sir.
valuable time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
प्रकार से वहाँ के
Thank you, sir.
जनता को बदलाने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है और वोट
Okay. Okay, I'm going. Yeah. कुछ करना है? उसमें कुछ नहीं करना था उनका।
कुछ बोले ही नहीं उससे सर, खुद से स्टार्ट